How's it? Welcome to South Africa.
Thank you. Good to be here.
Yeah, so Heineken has brought you to South Africa in terms of the level of support and the following that Manchester United and the entire European football commands in South Africa. How do you see it?
No, I first come in '93 and I've seen the support of the South African fans, and like you say, not just Man United fans. There's a lot of Man United fans, but football fans in general. And South African fans love football, love the sport, and I've had a great welcome. This is my 4th time now in South Africa, and the welcome that I get it gets better each time.
And how has the Heineken #unmissable moment experience been?
Yeah, it's been great. I mean, obviously, Heineken with UEFA, they're bringing the Champions League trophy to the people, to the fans. You know, they get to see it in real life. They get to have the picture taken with it. They get a picture taken with me and the trophy. So, no, it's amazing what Heineken are doing, giving that chance to see this iconic trophy.
All right, so let me ask you about your career now, because I'm obviously a Man United fan, and there are some questions that I've always wanted to ask you.
Okay.
You've always been a one-man team, so maybe have you ever at any point during your career felt like you need to go and explore your career somewhere else, or maybe you're missing out when you don't play for any other football club?
No, I was always happy at Manchester United. You know, I think as a player, you want to win medals, you want to be challenged, and each season I was at United. You know, I was still playing in the Champions League at 38, 39, so you know, you can go to China, you can go to America, but you're not getting that challenge that I was getting. So, no, I was always happy at Manchester United because each season I knew that there was a challenge.
Would you like to coach Manchester United permanently at some point? Because I knew that you were an interim manager at some point.
No, I mean, at the moment I'm happy with my role as Welsh coach. I'm proud of coaching my own country. And also Manchester United are doing pretty well at the moment with Ole Gunnar. So 2 roles that would be the dream job, obviously.
All right, you're obviously here for the #unmissable experience by Heineken. So my unmissable experience, I know that most people are going to talk about the 1999 final when we came back against Bayern Munich, or the 2008 final when we survived that penalty shootout scare against Chelsea. My moment is the Paul Scholes winner in the 2008 semi-final against Barcelona. Yeah, because I remember Cristiano Ronaldo had missed a penalty in the first leg.
That's right, yeah.
Old Trafford. Barcelona could have won that match at any point with an equalizer, so it was quite a nerve-wracking and nail-biting experience. So where does that one range in your actually unmissable moments?
Well, regarding the fans and the noise that Old Trafford made in the last 15-20 minutes, we go 1-0 ahead, and then like you say, one more goal off Barcelona. You know, we're against Messi, we're against Henry, I think Eto'o played, Xavi, Deco, Iniesta, so we were up against it, but the crowd and together with the determination of the team, we got through. And no, it's one of the best atmospheres I've ever witnessed at Old Trafford, and they've seen us through, and fortunately we could get to that final that year.
Okay, let's talk about the Premier League now and the Champions League. Who do you think is winning the Champions League, and who do you think is winning the Premier League?
Premier League, I don't care. Because it's either, well, it's our biggest rivals against, it's either City or Liverpool. So whoever wins.
But you played for City as a youth youth player.
But I was just a spy. Just for 2 years before I went to United.
But you always wanted to be at United.
Sorry?
You always wanted to be at United.
Yeah, I was always a fan of United.
Okay.
So my coach of my young team was a scout for Manchester City. So that's why I went to City, 11 till 13.
All right, and then who's winning the Champions League?
Good question. I think it's pretty open this year. I think there's so many big teams left. I would have said Juventus at the beginning of the season, but they're in a difficult situation against Atletico Madrid, 2-0 down. You have Barcelona, you have Bayern Munich, and the 4 English clubs as well still left. So if I had to say, I'll go with an outsider, Bayern Munich.
All right, thank you very much for your time, Ryan Giggs.
No problem.
Enjoy South Africa.
Thank you, I will.